Hey guys, my name is Ketul. I'm one of the first year cardiology fellow here in Northeast. I was tasked to make a video regarding, what makes us unique. And I think that's a hard question to answer, but I'm gonna try my best. Mostly because, there are a lot of aspects that makes the program that we have here one of the best for training and culture and everything that goes along with it. And it starts with the program coordinator, Tina. She makes our life so much easier. Everything that we need to be responsible for in terms of lectures, what do we have coming up a month from now or 2 months from now? It's all on our calendar. It's synced to our phone. She takes care of all that background aspect of it so that, you as a fellow could focus on what matters, which is taking care of the patients, learning, and just being the best version of yourself. And it doesn't stop there. All the ancillary staff, echo techs that take their time to teach you how to do scans, how to use the machine, so that you're ready. Come, 2 o'clock at night, you have to come in to rule out a tamponade. You'll be able to get all the views. And having been here for about 2 months, I can confidently say that the Equitex taught me how to use that machine, how to get the views when I didn't even know what views I was looking at day one. So, they were great teachers, and great mentors. And then lastly, I think the biggest aspect that makes us unique are the attendings. Every single attending here uh, takes their time to be a mentor and teach you, and a lot of them stay longer and back to teach the fellows than they would have if they would have done something by themselves. And they don't feel bad for doing that. They don't make you feel bad for doing that, and that's a unique quality in my opinion. The other thing that I think is very unique is that when you are on echo rotations or like nuclear rotation, the attendings sit next to you while you read. So you get instantaneous feedback. You're not waiting 2 days or 3 days to go back and look at the prelim that you did to get the feedback. No, you get the feedback. You get to ask them questions right on the spot. And I think the most important part to that is you get to know them. They tell you, their aspects of life and things, what their experience was like as a fellow, and things like that. I don't think any amount of words could do the justice as much as, if you're interested in this program, coming to this place and doing maybe a day or two of shadowing or coming to an open house and just, following us along, following us throughout the day is what's going to do a more justice than me trying to put in the words. But, having that said, my 2.5 months that I've been here have been tremendous. I mean, I've learned a lot. I've already found mentors that I geared towards to, and at the end of the day, the experience has been fun. That's very important. And lastly, I'll leave you guys with this: the fellows room has the best view. We get to see the mountains, Poconos Mountains, from outside of the fellow's office in the windows. It's beautiful. You can't beat that. You're gonna be working a lot as a fellow, but you want a natural sunlight, and we got a lot of it. All right, guys, feel free to reach out to me if you guys have any questions. Once again, my name is Ketul, one of the first year cardiology fellows. Thank you.